Xumo TV, pre-installed on many smart TVs, requires app updates for optimal performance, new features, and security. There are two primary methods: auto update and manual check. Auto update automatically downloads and installs app updates in the background, ensuring your apps are always current. This is convenient but consumes bandwidth. To enable it, go to Settings, Apps, Auto Update Apps. Manual check allows you to initiate updates on demand. To do this, highlight an app on the app shelf, press the Options button on your remote, and select Check for Updates or Update Now. A stable internet connection and sufficient storage are prerequisites for both methods. Updates enhance security, fix bugs, and improve compatibility, so keeping your apps updated is essential. To manually check for updates, first navigate to the Xumo TV home screen. Use your remote to highlight the app you want to update. Press the Options button, usually a three-lined button or an OK button with additional functions. Select Check for Updates or Update Now from the menu. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to install it. If you encounter issues, try restarting your TV to force a system scan. You can also try clearing the app's cache in Settings. For built-in Xumo channels, updates are part of system firmware. Ensure stable internet and sufficient storage. Some older devices lack auto-update features.